Good morning, guys. It's Sunday and it's raining. We're going out for breakfast, and it's so cold already. Oh my gosh. That's where we're going. We cannot go to church today because merong gagawin yung husband ko for the TV. He needs to spend time with the TV kasi so we can figure out kung maayos pa ba yun or hindi. But yan, sana maayos na. It's raining.
It's boring.
Matchy matchy.
I should combine them right now.
It's mine.
What's this one?
So, Abel decided to do something really bad. He wanted to kill Abel.
Whoa, okay.
That's it.
That's it? Done? That's the story? See, so he didn't end up killing him?
No, wait, no.
See, there's more. Okay.
So when Cain killed like his brother, then Cain grabbed in some leaves and covered him.
Cover him with what?
Leaves.
Leaves, okay.
She's a good storyteller.
Then what? That's it, done?
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, nakatapos din ako magsuot ng boots. Anyway, good evening everyone. Sorry late na akong vlog ngayon. Aalis kasi kami ng aking husband. And tawag nito, sobrang it's crazy today dahil there's a snowstorm here in our place, in our location in Winnipeg. And tawag nito, it's supposed to be fall, but so this is very unusual. So talagang it's climate change, you know guys, it's crazy. I'll show you how horrible outside. Kaya may suot akong winter coat na sobrang kapal because it really is cold. Kasi nga dahil sa hangin, it's not as cold yung temperature mismo, but dahil sa hangin, sobrang lamig. So we're coming out. We're going now. Manonood kasi kami. Ngayon pa tumiming pa talaga na alis kami. May ganitong bagyo. But we already did our reservation, so we have to go. Okay. Labas na ako. Yan. Ang aming backyard. Grabe, sobrang daming snow. Yan guys, punong-puno. Yung suot ko, nakaboots ako. Napakapal. I am very careful dahil, oh my gosh, sobrang kapal. Yan, pinala na yun ng asawa ko kanina. And yun guys, grabe. Ito na. It's crazy. Everything is covered of snow. Even the back lane. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, go. I'm here.
I have to see you. Why are you there? You want me to run you over? Crazy or what?
Where are you going?
Stand in the corner. I'm back up that way.
Come on. Everything is covered with everything. With snow. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're stuck. Oh, thank God. Oh my. OMG, stuck.
No one's cutting. So itong gulong umiikot?
Yeah.
Yung likod hindi?
Hindi.
Then I know it's front wheel drive at least. Good thing.
So guys, oh my gosh,
Bye.
napagod ako dun ha. Na-stuck kami, munti ka kami ma-stuck dun sa may likod ng yard namin. Sobrang kapal ng yero. Grabe, oh my gosh. Dad, what adventure to ha. Grabe ah. So guys, grabe, parang hinika ata ako dun sa pagpala ng konti ah. Ang daming mga na-stuck na what you call that, na mga sasakyan ngayon, and tawag nito, sa sobrang kapal ng snow, talagang kailangan you have to know how to drive, and you have to have a strategy, kasi otherwise talagang may stuck ka. So kung ako yung mag-drive, oh guys, I'm telling you, hindi na ako makakaalis kasi I don't know how to drive in snow yet, especially with this kind of weather. Talagang horrible. Sobrang kapal ng snow. I never seen this much snow in my entire stay here in Canada. So grabe talaga to. It's crazy. Parang naabandon na gano'n. But you will wonder kung paano nakaka-ease o nakaka-survive ang mga tao dito. But that's the way of life here. It's every year has snowstorm, but not this early. You know talaga, it's too early. We never been experience fall yet. Kasi pa-fall pa lang eh. Hindi pa talaga fully fall season. Tapos meron na agad snow, so it's very highly unlikely. Kaya tawag nito, people are not prepared, and maraming nagkakasakit. Tulad ko, I have a little bit of a cold and kind of flu kasi dahil nga sa changes ng weather. It's ridiculous. It's grabe. So anyway, meron na kasi kaming booking tonight to go out, and there's no refund. So we are taking our chances to go to watch a movie in a theater. So bahala na, baka kami lang nandun. So we'll see kung marami pa rin makakarating, but usually ano ba yan, yung kulay, but hopefully meron naman, kasi sa loob naman, indoor naman yun eh. So yun lang. So, nag-pick up muna kami ng pizza for our kids for their dinner tonight. Kasi tawag nito, kung hindi kami magpa-deliver dapat kami, but unfortunately there's no delivery guys, kasi tawag nito sa it's very bad weather, and they don't offer delivery kasi nga usually pag ma-stuck yung kanilang delivery driver, they ended up losing, of course, right? It's a business. So yun, nag-stop muna kami dito before we go to our movie para i-drop off namin yung pizza to the kids. And yun, hopefully guys, makarating kami ng maayos. And meron pa kaming an hour pa naman to to start before the movie starts. So yun, grabe. You wouldn't imagine, parang hindi mo may imagine kung ano yung sinasabi ko unless you've been to a snowy place. Kasi kahit ako noon, I couldn't imagine what my husband is talking about regarding the snow or winter. Kasi I couldn't relate. Like, what are you saying? You're like, pero ngayon parang nasa ibang planeta talaga. This is so bad and crazy. Everybody, I feel sorry for the elderly and the kids, kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-affected kapag ganitong season. Lalo na lalo na kapag nagkatrabaho ka and you don't have anyone with you. Yun, it's really hard. But ganun talaga, people will adjust eventually. But this one is very unusual and people are not so prepared for this. So yun, guys. So guys, binaba na namin yung pizza. But ngayon ko lang nakita yung front house namin. Ito siya, grabe. Nasira yung mga puno. Oh my gosh. Ang sumbahan. Scary. Mga puno, nagkatumbahan. Oh my goodness. We made it, you guys. Meron pa kaming tinulungan na stuck sa parking lots. But we're here now at the theater. We're just waiting. And we're gonna buy some our ticket.
14B and 14C.
Popcorn and drinks.
Here,
Where are we? Here?
number 4.
Oh, these are movies. This is what we're gonna watch. I know. So nice. Nice seat.
Yan ang susunod pa pangamatay.
You guys, we're finally home. We finally made it. Grabe yung snow. So it's already 12 midnight. 12 midnight. And here, so antok na ako. And yung movie, ang pinanood namin is a Joker. All I can say is what a joke. Ba't namatay? There you go. Oh my gosh. It's been, at least we arrived home and safe. Nag-enjoy ako sa sinihan na pinuntahan namin. It's very comfy and nice.